Welcome to Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing about the Diploma in Early Childhood Care and Education. In this video, you can see we are discussing about the all details. So, a mode is given here. This is the open distance learning, right? Open distance learning means that you can study at your home and you have to go just for exam at the exam center, whichever is nearer to your home. Now the duration is only 1 year. Medium is English, Hindi, and Tamil. So you can do all your courses in whichever you want to choose your language. Specialization is early childhood care and education. Description is also you can read this. So after completing the course, what you will learn from this course. Now the eligibility is 12th pass or equivalent. If you have a 12th minimum 12th pass, if you have MSc or BSc, whichever you have degree, so you can do this course. Fee structure is only 3,000 rupees and plus registration fees is 300 rupees. At the time of the registration fee, you have to pay for 300 rupees. Then after confirmation, you have to pay 3,000 rupees. Then after at the exam time you need to pay for exam fees, which is almost 200 rupees per paper. Now there are only 4 papers are given here. So after completing the all papers or after passing all the papers, you will get the 32 credits. And here are the regional centers are given here. If you have other queries related to this course, you can contact us anytime on our WhatsApp and we will provide all the related additional things which very minimal charges. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.